I am Dr. N.J. Krishna Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of IEM, BIT Bangalore. I am going to explain the CAM terminology. It is a topic in kinematic of machinery, which is prescribed by the VTU for 4th-semester IEM students. The cover page, I designed it to understand what will going to explain in this session. How to draw a cam and roller follower by mentioning all the terminology which is used in the cam, like trace point, a roller follower, pressure angle, pitch point, base circle, prime circle, like that. And I'll tell you the different stages or different steps to get the final view, what I written in the cover page. And I'll define the important terms used in cam profile. First, you draw the base circle. It is a smaller circle which is drawn from the center of rotation of the cam. And after this, you draw the roller with here on the axis of the follower, some point you took and draw a roller and then the follower. Here it represents, this is the axis of the follower, perpendicular to this cam axis is there. And base circle is a smaller circle which is drawn from the center of rotation of the cam, forming the part of cam profile. Cam size will depend on the base circle. And in the roller follower, the center of the roller is a trace point. In case of knife edge of the knife edge follower is a trace point. It is a reference point on the follower. It is located at the center of the roller in case of the roller follower, and it is located at knife edge in case of knife edge follower. And then after this, you draw a prime circle. You know the radius of the base circle plus half of the radius of the roller. You take it and will draw a prime circle. So prime circle is the smallest circle drawn tangent to the pitch curve, is known as prime circle. And after this, you draw the cam profile. We're going to draw the cam profile as per the requirement. In case of opening and closing the valve of IC engine, some profile is required. In case of paper cutting machine, some type of profile is required. In case of the parts which is used in case of the textile industries, cam profile has different sizes. Just draw to any profile is mentioned here. And after this, so with different points which is tangent to the cam profile, draw the rollers. So this cam profile is tangential to all the rollers which is mentioned here. And after this, here the movement of the roller follower, if the cam is fixed, is this much. That has removed it. And after this, we'll draw the pitch curve. How to draw the pitch curve? Fix the cam and rotate the roller follower, the trace point, it traces the curve. That curve is a pitch curve. So here the pitch curve is a curve drawn by the trace point, assuming that cam is fixed and the trace point of the follower rotates around the cam. And after this, so some point they mentioned it, that is called as a pitch point, where the pressure angle is the maximum. Pressure angle is the angle between normal to the pitch point and the direction of motion of the follower. The angle between the direction of motion of the follower and normal to the pitch point for a pitch circle, that is called as a pressure angle. Pressure angle should not exceed 30 to 35 degree. If it is exceeds it, it jams it when it reciprocates in the bearing. So we'll define the pitch point is like this. It is a point on the pitch curve at which pressure angle is maximum. Pitch circle is one where we from the center to the radius, from center to the pitch point, we'll draw a circle. That is called as a pitch circle. And already I mentioned the pressure angle. That is actually, here it is, this angle is nothing but it is a pressure angle. And the displacement, maximum displacement of the follower is called as the stroke. And I'll, what are the terms and what are the things I explained? It is shown here. In the examination, they asked it, explain the terminology of the cam with neat sketch. So already I told it's a base circle, trace point, prime circle, pitch curve, pressure angle, pitch point, pitch circle, stroke or lift of the follower is the different terms used in the cam and roller follower. Draw the cam and roller follower by mentioning all the terms and explain it. That completes this session. Thank you one and all.